Struggling to keep up with your workload and feeling like there just aren't enough hours in the day? Trust me, I've been there. But in 2025, AI tools have gone from being just a cool gimmick to absolute essentials for anyone who wants to work smarter, not harder. Let me walk you through 5 AI tools that are seriously changing the game for productivity and writing. First up, ChatGPT by OpenAI. This isn't just a chatbot, it's your 24/7 personal assistant. Need to write an email, summarize a research paper, or even solve a coding problem? ChatGPT's got your back. It's like having an extra brain that never sleeps and always has the answer. Next is Notion AI. If you're drowning in meeting notes, tasks, or random ideas, this is your lifeline. Notion AI can auto-write meeting summaries, suggest clear next steps, and turn messy notes into polished documents. Perfect if you want to stay organized without breaking a sweat. For all the content creators and marketers out there, Jasper AI is a total time saver. Whether you need blog posts, ad copy, or product descriptions, just give Jasper a prompt, and it'll generate ready-to-publish content in your brand's tone within seconds. It's like having a mini creative team on standby. Now let's talk about GrammarlyGO. It's way more than just a grammar checker. It can rephrase sentences, adjust your tone, and help you write from scratch, making your communication crisp and professional every time. And finally, Copy.ai. This one's a game changer for entrepreneurs and small business owners. From cold emails to social posts and website copy, it cranks out marketing materials at the click of a button. It's honestly like having a full marketing team in your pocket. These AI tools can save you hours every week, boost your output, and help you avoid burnout. So, give them a try. Let AI handle the heavy lifting, and you focus on what actually matters. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite AI tool in the comments.